Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show how to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Block Blast app on your device. Once the game opens, tap on the settings gear icon and then tap on replay. When you do this, you'll notice the colors of the blocks start changing. What you want to do is keep repeating the replay of blocks until all of the blocks turn red. Once they're completely red, just like you can see on the screen, it's time for the next step. Now, start a screen recording of your game for at least 20 seconds. Open the CapCut app. Once inside CapCut, tap on New Project, select the screen recording you just made with the red blocks and add it to the editor. Now here's the trick. Tap on the video in the timeline, then scroll along the bottom menu and tap on the Adjust option. From there, select HSL. In the HSL settings, choose the red color and then reduce the hue all the way to 0. And just like magic, you'll notice your red blocks have now turned pink. Preview your video to make sure you're happy with the results, and once you're satisfied, tap Export at the top right corner of the screen. The edited video with the pink blocks will now be saved to your gallery. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more cool gaming tips and tricks.